Welcome to my creative lab. I'm Olga Valentina and I'm gonna cook for you. What's on the menu today? Classico Italiano, but with a twist. Everyone loves carbonara, but have you tried with veggies? I'm gonna prepare my favorite, zucchini carbonara. We start by boiling water in a large pot. And here's my little secret. Use liquid smoke. Your pasta will taste incredible. Trust me. Besides that, add some salt to flavor the pasta and olive oil, which will prevent the pasta from sticking. While the water is boiling, let's make some crazy, delicious creamy sauce. Use 3 egg yolks, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. Add some fresh ground nutmeg, salt, and lots of ground pepper. It's okay to be greedy. The water is boiling. Now it's time to add our penne. Cook the pasta 2 minutes less than it's suggested on the package. And now for the base. What makes this pasta so scrumptious? Pancetta or bacon. I really prefer the thicker pieces. 4 cloves of garlic, and now the star of our dish, zucchini. Cut in half. Scrape out the seeds with a spoon and then slice like this. Let's make all neighbors smell this deliciousness. Put some olive oil, butter, and chopped garlic in a large skillet. Then, add the pancetta and sauté until crispy. Add the zucchini, salt again and pepper. Seasonings, people, don't forget. Drain the pasta and add it to the divine medley in the skillet. Cook it for a minute or so. Now we need to move really quick, so put your muscles and brains in high gear. Take the skillet off the stove. Mix in the sauce, and add another 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese, adding a whole egg. Stir. Well, if you're a chef, a poached egg would be awesome. But for beginners, don't sweat it. Now we're ready to serve. I like to serve it from the skillet, so everyone can help themselves, including me. But for tonight, I'm serving it in plates with some Parmesan cheese on the top, ground pepper, and some parsley. think it's your turn to whip up some Italian pasta. Приятного аппетита!